Does Big Brother make you smile? I think you got too much corn in there. No?
Yes! Yes! Yes!
You got too much corn in your mouth. Is it good? Does Big Brother make you smile? You want to give him a bite? Give him a little bite.
No.
Just a little one. You're in camera. You gotta be sweet boy. Say, excuse you, Mama. No! You sleepy? Hey, Big Brother, give me a bite. No. No more corn? You okay? What were you doing? Can I have it now? Give me the corn. Give me the corn. I want the corn. It's mine now. You still want it? Mommy's gonna eat it. Give it to Mommy. Come on. Give it to me. It's mine. Mommy took a bite. Tastes good, doesn't it? Look at your face. Has corn everywhere. Gonna have corn in your poo poo. You sleepy? You sleepy?
Okay, Mommy. Go ahead and have a bite.
Oh my goodness.
Go
Look
ahead
at
and
that
have
face.
a bite.